Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with PNC Bank, fast setup step by step clearly. To get started with Zelle and PNC Bank, first, make sure you have a PNC Bank account. Then, download the PNC mobile banking app from your device's app store or access PNC's online banking through a web browser. Open the PNC mobile banking app or log into your account online. Navigate to the transfers section within the app or website. Look for the option to enroll in Zelle. Follow the prompts to enter your mobile number or email address where you want to receive Zelle payments. You may need to verify your identity with a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, you will successfully enroll in Zelle. Now you can start sending and receiving money with Zelle directly from your PNC account. To send money, go back to the transfers section and select Zelle. Choose the recipient from your contacts or enter their email address or phone number. Input the amount you wish to send and any optional message. Review the transaction details and confirm to send. The recipient will receive the money instantly, provided they are also enrolled in Zelle. To receive money, simply share your registered email or mobile number linked to Zelle with the sender. Once they send you money, it will appear in your PNC account shortly. If you have any issues, check the PNC Bank website or contact customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.